Do you normally shave using a laser or any other machine? If yes, this is your video. Let's watch together until the end. For me, I think this is the most interesting video I have ever watched on the internet this year. This is really interesting and I am wondering how this was even discovered. A paste that can be used to shave any hairs smoothly without any razor bumps. In just 5 minutes, all your hairs can be removed easily using an onion, a tomato, and a baking powder. This is really interesting. Well, that is an onion paste. Putting it into a strainer, a normal onion paste, the onion we always use in our kitchen. I was really surprised watching this and I thought it was worth to share with you. After the first strainer, that is, I think that is a finer strainer than the first one. That's why there is a fine residue remains in the strainer. And then the tomato. The tomato we use as food, just a natural tomato, grating it to make a tomato paste. I never thought of this on my own. Well, tomato paste in a strainer again, making tomato juice. Yeah, I think I can call that is a tomato juice. Separating it from tomato seeds, yes, and the other hard parts. Again in a finer strainer, putting the tomato juice in a finer strainer. Well, this is very interesting. I must try it. Just putting at the bowl. Well, baking powder. A baking powder, not a baking. I think yes, there is a difference between a baking powder and baking soda. This is baking powder, not the sodium bicarbonate one. The sodium bicarbonate is baking soda. The baking soda, yeah, baking soda. So 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Let's see then what else. Yeah, three things. Okay, like minimizing the baking powder to like half tablespoon, adding the 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, tomato juice, then 1 tablespoon of onion juice. Then mixing. As you can see, the 3 ingredients are mixed together. 1 tablespoon of onion juice and 2 tablespoons of tomato juice, and around half of baking powder. Then he applied on a skin with some hairs. This looks like a leg, yeah, this is a leg. this a leg? Is this a leg or a hand? I don't know, but that is the skin with the hairs. He said you can leave it for like 5 to 7 minutes and you just use a tissue paper to wipe away, or any other clean cloth. As you can see, the hairs are removed easy like that. This is really interesting. I must try it. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about this? This is really interesting, and I think I'm going to try very, very soon. This is very interesting. Tell me what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching.